Hello. We'd like you to have this flower from the Religious Consciousness Church. Would you care to make a donation?
No, but thank you anyway.
Just when you thought it was safe to go back into, the sky?
Would you put all your metal objects into this dish, please?
Superman better watch out, he may lose his Man of Steel title to this guy.
There's just no stopping in a white zone.
Oh, really, Vernon? Why pretend? We both know perfectly well what it is you're talking about. You want me to have an abortion.
It's really the only sensible thing to do.
Wait, did they give all that crap to the kid?
Therapeutically, there's no danger involved. Taxi!
Yeah. Yeah. Even with them nearly extinct, that still hasn't changed.
Hello, sir. We'd like you to have this flower on behalf of the Church of Religious
Did he just drop the
Yep.
new woman? Wait, these are porn. Where are all the guy magazines?
Captain over, white courtesy phone. Captain Clarence over.
I've got it.
Thank you. Go ahead with your call.
This is Dr. Brody at the Mayo Clinic. There's a passenger on your Chicago flight 209er.
Ooh, Chicago. I should show them the Walgreens I used to work at. They'll hate it.
It's very important that you remain calm.
Excuse me, this is the operator, Captain Over. I have an emergency call for you on line 5 from a Mr. Ham.
All right, give me Ham on 5. Hold the mail.
Hold the emergency doctor information. All right.
When I get back to Chicago, I'm going to start my life all over again. I'm sorry.
Excuse me, we'd like you to have this flower from the Church of Religious Consciousness.
Aw, the poor sailor. He go boom and fall down.
Trans-American.
What's this kid's deal?
There you go. Thank you.
Can you tell me if Elaine Dickinson is on this flight?
Well, the whole flight crew is boarded. Let me see. Oh, yeah, she is on board.
Wow. You can't just give that information out. You know, classic stalking.
God, Bill, I'm gonna miss you so much.
Oh, I'm gonna miss you too. Promise you, right?
I think they're on the wrong set.
Oh, you know, it's a common mistake. Plane, train. I can see the confusion.
You proud of yourself for that one?
Oh, but it's your watch. You shouldn't. You're gonna need this.
It's all right. It doesn't work.
Bill!
Goodbye, darling.
Bill!
Oh. Wait!
Flight 209er, you are cleared for takeoff.
Roger. Huh?
LA departure frequency 123.9er.
Roger.
Huh? Request vector. Over.
What?
Oh.
Flight 209er, clear for vector 324.
We have clearance, Clarence.
Roger, Roger. What's our vector, Victor?
Howard radio clearance, over. That's Clarence, over. Over. Roger.
Huh?
That should be a rule. You can't work at radio control and be named Roger.
Roger, over. What? Huh? Who?
No, who's on first?
What's on second?
He's
on
on
third.
See, Nosco, no amount of HD can fix this.
Do you feel all right, sir?
Oh, I haven't flown for a long time.
Okay, lady.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Captain Over speaking. We'll be cruising at 36,000 feet this evening. Our arrival
Boys
time
life?
in Chicago will be 10:45 p.m. Central Time.
Nuns?
Temperature
Oh,
there is
I don't
currently
know.
62 degrees.
It's a shame you two don't get along.
Yes, I know. Things used to be different. I remember when we first met.
Oh no, she's...
War.
The nerve of this one, it's the reverse.
Off the Barbary coast. The mood in the place was downright ugly. You wouldn't walk in there unless you knew how to use your fists. You could count on a fight breaking out almost every night.
Oh. Makes sense. Deadly game.
We know how to be friends.
Who keeps throwing this shit back in there?
We laughed, talked, danced. I never wanted it to end. I guess I still don't. But enough about me. I hope this hasn't been boring for you. It's just that whenever I start to talk about Elaine, I always get so carried away. I lose all track of time.
I love how everyone ignored that. Couldn't be me. Fucking sand, you lost your goddamn mind.
I don't like sand. It's coarse and rough and irritating, and it gets everywhere.
Oh, Ted, please be careful. I worry
Look at all that
so much.
Look at all that shit in her hair. Absolutely not. I would have beat his ass for breaking me. Oh my god. Yeah, no, I would have beat his ass for bringing me there. Absolutely. There's some things unforgivable.
Excuse me, sister.
Yes?
There's a little girl on board up front who's ill, and...
Oh, yes, I saw. Poor child.
Could I borrow your guitar? I thought maybe I could cheer her up.
You have a guitar?
Yeah, haven't you seen The Sound of Music?
There is only one river.
Yo!
There is only one sea, and it flows through you, and it flows through me. There is only
She closes her eyes to pray.
Sir, excuse me, sir. I'm sorry I have to wake you. You a doctor?
That's right.
We have some passengers that are very sick. Could you come take a look at them?
Yes. Yes, of course.
Didn't you know all doctors keep their stethoscopes on them at all times? Wait!
They also seem to keep their nurses off screen at all times, too.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your stewardess speaking. We regret any inconvenience the sudden cabin movement might have caused. This is due to periodic air pockets we encounter. There's no reason to become alarmed, and we hope you enjoy the rest of your flight. By the way, is there anyone on board who knows how to fly a plane?
You idiot! Oh. How did that get allowed?
Yeah, there was no R rating when this movie came out.
Do you know anything about planes?
Well, I flew in the war, but that was years ago. I wouldn't know anything about it.
Would you go up, please?
Wait! Why did he blow up?
Must have been a trick match.
What flying experience have you had?
I flew single-engine fighters in the Air Force, but this plane has 4 engines. It's an entirely different kind of flying, altogether.
It's an entirely different kind of flying.
I'll Altitude, 24,000 feet. Level flight, speed 520 knots. Course 090. Trim, mixture, wash, soak, rinse, spin.
I'll try spinning. That's a good trick.
Excuse me, we'd like you to have this flower. Excuse me, sir, would you... Donation to the Reverend Moon?
Me when people ask me for free art.
Juice for Jesus? Read about Jehovah's Witness? How about Buddhism? Help Jerry's kids? Oh, yeah. Scientology? Or nuclear power?
Chief, this weather bulletin just came off the wire.
Johnny, what can you make out of this?
This? Well, I could make a cap, or a brooch, a pterodactyl.
Why are you in this movie?
There's some trouble on your husband's flight. We don't know how serious it is yet, but Steve McCroskey thought you'd want to get down here right away.
She sleeps with a horse?
A stallion.
Oh my god.
I've got to go to the airport. You can let yourself out the back door. There's juice in the refrigerator.
At least she's polite about it.
How's he gonna open the fridge?
I don't know, Dennis. How did he get into the bed with her?
The bed is more plausible than the fridge.
Shayna, they bought their tickets. They knew what they were getting into.
Huh.
I say, let them crash.
There always are motherfuckers that are like that. Huh.
R-E-S-P-C-T, find out what it means to me. R-E-S-P-C-T, take out TCP, sock to me, sock to me.
Wait, that's not what she says. That's how the song goes. Yeah, he's dying because she fucking up the song.
Bad news. The fog is getting thicker.
And Leon's getting larger.
I'm fine with large Leon.
Me too.
Me 3.
Boss, head man, top dog, big cheese, a head honcho.
Captain,
number.
look at this.
Passenger certain to die.
Airline negligent.
There's a sale at Penny's.
JCPenney's is basically defunct.
Got a cigarette, Nels?
Linda. Your husband and the others are alive, but unconscious.
Just like Gerald Ford.
Why is he here?
I don't know, but I like him.
Power to all emergency vehicles. Runway is 9er. Airport vehicles take positions 1 and 2. Civilian equipment, number 3. Air Force positions number 4.
Hey, you in the ice cream truck. Get over here, I'm hungry.
WZAZ in Chicago, where disco lives forever.
Oh, so that's how Disco died.
It didn't die.
And nobody pressed B.
Land too fast, use your emergency brakes. Red handle's right in front of you. That doesn't stop you.
Can you blame her? I mean, I've seen you with your shirt off.
She better back off, because he's mine.
Gate 23, 24, 25.
Another happy landing.
The most important character in the whole movie. Not even joking.
Okay, all right. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Thank you for flying Trans-American.